Hello friends, welcome to Thursday. I'm gonna try and do this intro quick because you guys have already seen the setup in Tuesday's video, if you watched it anyway. As much as I love these colors, they did not work out. They did not allow the light to penetrate the UV resin. So we are going to have to set these aside for today. Instead, here's the ones that I'm talking about. Instead, I have pulled some glitter from Resin. This one doesn't have a name. It was a gift from my purchase, but it's very pretty. As you can see, it's white with like a purple iridescent sparkle. And then I've got holographic sea blue, which is gorgeous. And then I finally found my favorite glitter. This is the holographic silver, and it is so pretty. Anyway, so I'm going to use these. Again, I'm going to use the Total Boat UV Cure resin. And I've already got everything all set up. This one right here does not have the little extra fiddly bits right here. So I don't need to worry about that. I just need to fill it up. And that's what we're going to do. So hang with me. Let's see if we can get this right. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alright, these have cured. I cured them each for a very long time. So, and they feel good. Like nice and solid, I mean. And yes, I did learn my lesson from last time, and I put on my gloves again. These little lids are the hardest to take out. Okay. But again, I don't know why I even did them. Okay. Come on, you. It's like giving birth. Ugh. Okay. I mean, they're very cute. Okay, so this one, like I said, didn't have these little pieces, so it's just a solid one. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's very pretty. That is very, very pretty. So what I'm probably going to do after I clean these up is stick these back under the light for one more round. But look, it worked. This one is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there's that one. I'm going to have to toss these hairbands, I think, because I got resin on them, which is fine. Yeah, they're just going to have to be tossed. Okay. Let's see. Okay, okay. So again, a bit of cleanup to do. All right. Which one is this? This was number 5, which I think, yeah, is this one. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to sand down the tops for these so I can attach these to it and the bottoms. Well, I'm going to sand down the bottoms too. Okay. And then let's do this last one. These turned out so much better. That one was really stuck. Okay. I can do this. I am strong. I am woman. Hear me roar. Ugh. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean these off. Probably stick them in for another round. Sand them down. And then attach the tops and bottoms to the ones that need it. And yeah. So yes, I did different bottles for these because there were 6 molds, so I wanted to use, you know, all 6 or try all 6 at least. So anyway, I didn't even notice that there's a big old bubble right there. Huh. Anyway, yeah, these turned out so much better, you guys. I'm so happy with these. So anyway, let me go off camera and finish these up. And I guess we'll be back to discuss. Yeah, okay, let's do that. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding time. Yes, that's right. I had extra UV resin, so I decided to use it. So let's see. First I did this little snowflake, which I think came out beautiful. Look at her. She's a fabulous woman. Okay. So we got that. And then I used all three colors in this little mold. I do have a bubble in the tip, but that's my fault because I didn't even bother like trying to make sure there were no bubbles in the tip. I just kind of threw it in there and then went. But yeah, so that is today's bonus unmolding time. Might help if I turned my mic on. So yeah, so these are done, and I gotta say they turned out way better than this first batch. Again, it's not the resin's fault. It's my fault for being an idiot, because yeah, light doesn't pass through solid colors very well. You know what I mean? These turned out so great. They really, really did. I like them a lot, even though this lid is just a little bit crooked. See if I can get you guys in for a close-up. Very, very pretty. I think this one's probably, well, no, the blue one's my favorite, but this one's a close second. As you saw for this one, I added some extra resin around the lid to kind of make it cohesive. But other than that, I'm so happy that these turned out much better than this set. So, yeah, thank you if you watched all the way through. Thank you for sticking with me. I know this is probably super boring because I already did this once. But, you know, when you fail, sometimes you just gotta try again. You know what I mean? If this had failed, I would have screamed and then probably never used these molds again. So anyway, thanks for sticking it out with me. I appreciate you guys being here. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you want to see more, stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Words are hard. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.